Now that you've connected the keypad to your Ring alarm, let's get it mounted. The keypad is versatile. You can mount it on the wall or place it on a table or shelf. And it can be plugged in or run on battery. If you're planning to use the keypad unplugged, you should fully charge it first. To wall mount, slide the mounting bracket off the keypad. Place the mounting bracket on the wall, then mount it to the wall with included screws. If needed, pre-drill the holes and insert the included wall plugs before driving the screws in. Slide the keypad onto the bracket. You can also use the mounting bracket when placing your keypad on a table. Slide the mounting bracket off your keypad, flip it over, then slide it back onto the keypad. Place the keypad on the table. For more information about setting up and using your keypad, visit ring.com/help.